To modify a quiz in Canvas, the first thing you want to do is click on Assignments and then scroll down to the quiz that you would like to differentiate. Click on the quiz and then click on Moderate this quiz. Click on the Edit symbol to the right of the name of the student that you would like to differentiate the quiz for. Enter the amount of extra time you would like for the student to have while taking this quiz, and then click Save. As you can see, the student now has an extra 90 minutes to take the quiz. To modify the due dates for the quiz, I'm going to go back up to the top and click on the blue hyperlink for the name of the quiz. This will take you back to the details page of the quiz. Now scroll down to Assign and click on the Add button. From here, you will be able to choose the student that you would like to give the extended time to, and also choose the date that you would like to extend the quiz out to. Once you've done that, click Save.